You have been using ChatGPT wrong for entire 2 years, but this AI tool is going to change everything about how you used to write your prompts. So if you come to this site called as platform.openai, optimizer for ChatGPT 5. So here you just paste your vague prompt, whatever you have, and it is going to simply optimize everything. So for now, I have told him to build an AI app that shows the trend for the day, week, and the month. And you come to the optimize panel. If you have anything in your mind, you can just put it. So for now, I have put it, optimize it for better output. And you hit the optimize button. All you need to now do is just wait, and it is going to do the work for you. Okay, so we have got our prompt, and you can see uh, it has optimized it. But let's see, if you hit this review changes button, it will show you how why this prompt was wrong and what changes it has done. And all I can see the red, so that means my prompt was vague and it has optimized it. And from here you can just hide the changes and copy the prompt, and you can use it in your chat GPT or any other platform you are using to build this app. Now if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until then, see you, bye bye, thank you.